Hello, Ian here with PokerAtlas. Welcome to our dealer and employee accounts video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create employees, including dealers and other staff. I will then show you how to archive employees, which removes all access and permissions. Starting from the TableCaptain main menu, navigate to Employee Maintenance in the Management section. This screen is split into an employee list and an information panel. By default, the list shows your active employees, and the first employee on the list will be highlighted. Let's create a new dealer for the property. Click the New button in the information panel to start creating a new employee. Type in their last name and first name, and then, to indicate that they are a dealer, click the Dealer checkbox at the bottom middle of the panel. This will indicate in the system that they can swipe into a table as a dealer for our dealer tracking reports. Now let's create an employee that requires system access. Click the New button in the information panel, and once again type in the last name and first name. You will notice when you move to email address that the login defaults to first.lastname. However, this login is completely customizable, so feel free to use badge number or another format. User ID is also completely customizable, but for this employee I will use the initials. PIN should be private to the employee, so make sure that you have them create that on their own. If you need to set a password for the employee, click Set Password and have the employee type in their password. Click Reset Password when complete. We are now ready to assign employee roles to the employee. Click the Access tab in the upper left corner of the information panel. Here you will see a list of roles for your employees at your property. These roles should be set up by PokerAtlas based on conversations with your management team. In this case, we have admin, cashier, dealer, management, and tournament director. To assign a role, simply click the checkbox next to the desired role. In this case, let's make our new employee a cashier. To save the role, return to the Details tab and click Save. If we return to Access, you will see that the cashier role is still checked, indicating that the access has been saved. In the event that this staff member is also a dealer, do not forget to click the Dealer checkbox to allow them to be tracked by our dealer tracking reports when they swipe into a table. If you ever need to change an employee's role, there are two ways to do so. You can click the Clear Access button on the information panel to reset their role, or you can go to the Access tab to uncheck the current role and then check the new role. Do not forget to hit Save after you've changed their role. To reset an employee's PIN, simply clear the PIN field and have the employee create their new PIN. Remember to click Save after to finish changing their PIN. To reset a password, click Set Password and have the employee enter a new password, then click Reset Password. If an employee ever leaves your property, you should archive the employee. This ensures that all records associated with that employee stay intact while revoking all access and disabling PINs and passwords. Below the Dealer checkbox, you will see a checkbox that says Archive. The same checkbox can be found in the far left column of your employee list. Check either one and click Save to archive an employee. If we use the menu drop-down and click Active to refresh the list, you will see that the employee has disappeared. We can use the Archived Employee option to view a list of archived employees. It is important to only ever use the Delete option to delete a duplicated employee account. It is never a good idea to delete an employee that has left your property. Once again, clicking Archived Employees will show you a list of archived employees. In the event that an employee returns to your property, you can reactivate their account by unchecking either of the archive checkboxes and clicking Save. If we return to the active list, you will see the unarchived employee has moved over. I have now shown you how to create dealer and employee accounts and how to manage them at your property. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from PokerAtlas.